International Tournament Standard Vinyl Basketball Floor. High wear resistant, non-slip impact resistance. Glue volume, 80 kilograms, 70 to 80 square. Drying time, 60 minutes. Vinyl basketball flooring with high abrasion resistance, anti-slip properties, and excellent impact resistance ensure sports safety and stability. Rolling weight 50 kilograms, 3 tons reciprocation. Grooving depth should be no less than 2/3 of the floor thickness to ensure stability and construction quality. Welding speed should be maintained between 0.8 and 1 meters minute. The sanding flatness should be controlled at is less than or equal to 0.5 millimeters in, to ensure that the surface is smooth and even. One, triple certified by N, ISO, GB. 2, 10-year warranty. 3, 300 加 global professional installations.